Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been checking out all kinds of deals going on right now for RENOGY because they have a really big sale happening for spring. RENOGY's REGO 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, or 48 volt 30 amp MPPT solar charge controller. I think this is a perfect size solar controller if you have one really big solar panel or maybe a few small ones. This is going to be great to keep your build small, keep it efficient, and the price is very efficient too. So let's take a closer look. And if you're in a hurry and just look for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You can get an additional discount on top of the deal that's going on right now. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So for everybody else, let's take a closer look. This is the new RENOGY REGO 30 amp MPPT solar charge controller. This is what hooks your solar panels and can charge your batteries. This solar charge controller offers outstanding performance up to 99.99% tracking efficiency and 97% charging efficiency, and built-in Bluetooth for effortless monitoring and control. I always do recommend the DC Home app from RENOGY, which works very well. So you get 150 volt solar input voltage, which is a great voltage to work with. Full output current at 45 degrees Celsius. You have the Anker battery connectors, over-the-air updates, built-in Bluetooth, so you can use this with your DC Home app and easily track everything going on, and you have 99.99% MPPT tracking efficiency. Dual monitoring system, simple yet efficient. The REGO 30 amp controller takes monitoring to the next level with RVC and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to track daily power generation with precision. Its real-time clock captures a full year of data, giving you valuable insight into your solar performance anytime. And when you're paying attention to your power and how everything comes in and out, you really get good at using it efficiently. So unleash the potential for high-powered DIY systems. By supporting up to 150 volts input voltage, the controller enables versatile series and parallel configurations of solar modules, broadening your DIY operations. I love having multiple MPPTs, and this is a really good size for some serious size solar panels. If you have an MPPT on every single solar panel or per string of solar panel, you actually are going to have a more efficient system, especially in partially shaded situations. Seamless installation. Enjoy hassle-free plug-and-play connections with Anker and IP67 solar connectors. Designed for easy operation and fast installation, these secure connections eliminate the risk of loosening or slipping, ensuring reliable performance. Unmatched stability in extreme conditions. The REGO controller maintains full output current at 45 degrees Celsius, which is 113 degrees Fahrenheit, at 3,000 meters altitude, ensuring consistent performance and exceptional heat dissipation for reliable operations in the most extreme environments for people who really want to get out there. Comprehensive protection for your energy system. Now, this is very important. With 13 built-in protection features, this controller guarantees that both the system safety and the efficiency remains high. It's also providing customizable settings, which allow for optimal performance across a range of conditions. You got high temperature protection, over voltage, under voltage, reverse polarity, all kinds of different things, helping you make sure that this runs properly and lasts a very long time for you. Versatile voltage compatibility. This 30 amp controller is compatible with 12 volt up to 48 volts. So 30 amps at 48 volts is quite a lot of power you can bring in using solar panels. Automatically detects battery voltage, making it an ideal choice for RVs and various off-grid applications. Up to 440 watts with a 12 volt system or up to 1700 watts with a 48 volt system. Very versatile solar charger. And right now there is a little bit of a discount going on. Feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You get an additional discount on top of that. If you have any questions about this, drop them in the comments. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Don't forget, you can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most important, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these new products.